The new KTM RC200 is here and it gets significantly updated. It now gets a stunning new design, updated chassis, new hardware and also loses weight. The changes are practical, making the new RC200 friendlier than before for everyday riding and the occasional track outing.
The KTM RC200 has been a phenomenal motorcycle for the last 8 years. As your entry-level track tool, it has worked brilliantly. And with the new generation coming in, KTM promises to address a lot of the niggles on the first version. Better comfort, better rideability, and definitely a polarizing design, well, that we really like. However, can it actually live up to the first generation's benchmark? Let's go and find out.
The new KTM RC200's design is drastically different from the outgoing model. It's a design more in line with KTM's MotoGP machine. There are a lot of flat surfaces to reduce drag and improve the maximum speed. The two-part fairing has been completely redesigned and now redirects cool air towards the rider's legs while actively deflecting hot air. The LED headlamp is all new and integrates the DRL and indicators. The windscreen is wider for better protection, while the rear view mirrors are now bigger, wider and are foldable. At the rear is a new LED tail light with minimal bodywork around and an exposed subframe.
Well, there's a lot that's functional on the new KTM RC200. Well, first of all, the chassis is a lot new. The subframe you see here is completely new. It's a lot similar to what we got on the KTM 390 Duke, but it's specifically designed for the RC range. You also get lighter wheels on this motorcycle, and that along with the chassis and several other parts that have been redesigned and used better plastics to make it a lighter motorcycle helped shed about 3.3 kilograms than the previous version. Now think of it this way, that the unsprung mass on this motorcycle makes it a lighter motorcycle than before, but at the same time the fuel tank is now larger at 13.7 liters. That's about 4 liters more, and that's great because one of the few complaints that customers did have was that the smaller 9-liter fuel capacity was, well, very less. This takes care of that.
Of course, all of these changes trickle down from the RC390. The new RC200's handlebar is now taller but gets adjustable risers so it can be set to a lower level. The instrument console is the familiar LCD unit that we've seen on the 250 Adventure. It's exactly the same unit and carries over all the features from that version. The new split seat comes with double padded foam and immediately makes it a more comfortable bike than before. Although the saddle height is the same, the knee area has been made narrower. Overall, the riding posture is less aggressive than before, which will be a boon for newer riders. All of these changes are paired with a familiar engine and gearbox combination. The 199.5cc liquid-cooled engine remains unchanged, as does the 6-speed gearbox, but it now gets a bigger airbox that allows 40% more air to be fed to the engine. Power delivery is smoother, while the revised ergonomics make it immediately more friendly to ride. Gear shifts are slick as before, and the new RC200 still loves being revved and pushed to the limits. And that makes it an entertaining bike to ride. The lighter chassis has resulted in improved handling, and direction changes feel quick and more seamless. It's also more predictable around a corner. The bike also gets a larger front disc brake, but feedback at the lever is still lacking from the unit. It does come with Supermoto ABS as standard.
The new KTM RC200 is such a well-packaged motorcycle. Well, KTM has done one good thing. It's taken the same engine and gearbox in that same configuration as the older model and packaged it into this new chassis. It's lighter than before, more flexible and a lot more comfortable, far more friendlier to ride, and definitely something that a lot of new riders will look up to. Another thing that I really like is the build quality on the motorcycle. It looks a better finished motorcycle and definitely more worth for your money.
The new KTM RC200 remains an excellent package for young riders and has become even better now with the updates. And the best part is that the new generation model has been launched at the same price as before. But do remember, the early bird pricing will only be there for a few weeks, at least till the next generation RC390 arrives by early 2022.